Welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm Bruce, and today we're diving into how mobile work order approvals are changing the maintenance landscape. I'm joined by Alex, a maintenance management and IoT expert. Alex, it's great to have you.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. Always a pleasure to chat about how technology is transforming maintenance.
So, Alex, what exactly are mobile work order approvals and how do they impact the maintenance world?
Mobile work order approvals allow technicians to submit work orders for approval via mobile devices. Instead of waiting for paper forms or approvals on desktop systems, supervisors can approve or deny requests in real time, speeding up the process and removing bottlenecks in the workflow. It's all about efficiency.
That sounds like a major improvement. Can you share a real-world example of how this technology impacts operations?
Sure. In a manufacturing plant, if equipment breaks down, traditionally, technicians fill out a paper form and wait for approval, which could take hours. With mobile work order approvals, the technician submits the request and gets approval instantly, often within minutes. This reduces downtime dramatically. What would normally take a day is now done in just a couple of hours. The integration with asset management systems means all updates happen in real time, ensuring accurate data and more seamless operations.
That's amazing. Faster response times, fewer delays. For companies looking to implement mobile work order approvals, where should they start?
First, ensure that your mobile approval system integrates with your existing CMMS or EAM system. Integration is critical to unlocking the full potential. Then provide training for technicians and managers to make sure they're comfortable using the new system. Finally, track performance metrics like repair time, uptime, and technician productivity to ensure the system is delivering the desired results.
Got it. Looking forward, how do you see mobile work order approvals evolving, especially with technologies like AI, IoT, and automation?
The future is exciting. AI and IoT are already making waves in maintenance. In the coming years, predictive analytics will be integrated into work order systems, automatically generating work orders based on sensor data. This means that maintenance teams won't just respond to problems, they'll be alerted to potential issues before they happen, making maintenance more proactive and even more efficient.
That's a game changer. Thanks so much for sharing these insights, Alex. It's clear that mobile work order approvals are the way forward for efficient maintenance management.
It's always a pleasure, Bruce. I'm excited to see where this technology takes the industry.
That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to Cryotos Maintenance Management. We hope today's discussion gave you valuable insights on mobile work order approvals and how they can streamline your operations. Stay tuned for more in future episodes.